Hey guys, so today I'm making a special recipe which is called Bhuna Gosht, and it's like my favorite recipe that I love. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make it. Also, I need 1,000 subscribers for YouTube monetization, so please subscribe and help me out so I could get my YouTube material and for the content. And yeah, thank you guys. So guys, I just added 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and ginger paste. I'm gonna set it up for marination. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of haldi. So I'm just mixing the meat and just gonna mix it up well. I'm using 2 onions and 2 tomatoes for this recipe. You can also use 3 onions, but since my meat is a little bit less, so I'm just using 2. So while the meat is set to marination, you can either chill out, drink your tea, or just do nothing if you want. Oh, and also one more thing. I'm gonna be making my meat in an electric pressure cooker. I used to have a normal pressure cooker, but unfortunately, I was doing my makeup upstairs one day and I forgot that like something was on the stove, and yeah, I kind of burned my pressure cooker, and I tried cleaning it, but it didn't work out. So luckily I had a backup, which was my electric pressure cooker. And as you can see in the back, it's right there. I'm going to be using it. In general, I'm really scared of pressure cookers, but sometimes when I just like put my meat inside the pressure cooker and just go upstairs and like not be near it. But yeah, you gotta be strong in life, so today I'm gonna be with my pressure cooker. So guys, so when the meat is getting marinated, I just realized you guys can, instead of like wasting time, you guys can use the time to make the masala, and so that by the time like almost the masala is done, the meat is ready, and you guys can just add the meat inside the pressure cooker. So I'll be frying these little guys inside oil in the pressure cooker first. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to use the electric pressure cooker. You guys can get one in the future if you want one, or if you already have one and you don't know how to use one, you can learn from me now. Even though I'm still learning, I have used it a couple of times, so I have an idea. So basically I pressed menu, and then you go on, because I need to fry stuff. So you can either saute it or go on the browning. I'm gonna go on the saute. So you just press menu till you come on the saute part, and then you start it. So guys, the oil is kind of warm now, so I'm gonna add all the masalas. So guys, I'm going to change the settings to browning and then add the onions. So as you guys can see, the onions are brown, and now we're just gonna add the meat. Okay, hopefully that doesn't splash on me. I'm just gonna add a little bit of red chilies because I like them, like about 1 tablespoon. Maybe a little more. And I'm gonna add a little bit of zira in here. I love zira, it's one of my faves. So I'm just gonna add tomatoes now. Yum. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, like maybe half a cup. Adding an incy bit of water. What's that? So I just fried it, and this is how it looks right now. And I'm just gonna add the top of the pressure cooker. So guys, just a little tip on how to use the pressure cooker. So the pressure release, this part of it is supposed to be after this dot. So then the air releases from here. So basically, you do not open the pressure cooker until the air is released, because I don't know what's supposed to happen, but it's obviously supposed to be dangerous and not good. So I'm gonna unlock it now. And the other thing about the electric pressure cooker is that it won't let you unlock anyways for safety reasons until unless the pressure is released from the, in Pakistani word you call it CT. So I'm just gonna unlock it, and then I'm gonna open it, and there you go. Oh my god, sometimes I can't believe I made this. Okay, so anyways, this is the result. I'm loving the color. It's like a little darker. You can see the color. It's so amazing. Can't wait till I taste it. Okay, so basically now I'm gonna cook it in low pressure. So I changed the settings to low pressure, and I'm gonna cook it in low pressure for 6 minutes. So guys, it's finally completed. Just made this in low pressure. I'm just gonna open it right now. There's still a lot of water left, but that's okay. Some people like gravy. So this is the end result. I'm just gonna add this in a tray. So this is the end result of the Bhuna Gosht. It tastes amazing, just amazing. I love it. So you guys should definitely try it at home and eat it with your family. Hey guys, so if you guys just like the recipe I just made, please subscribe and comment below, and like the video and share. Thank you very much.